Welcome back, everybody. This is our MRS22 Spring 2021 Test Number 1 Review, Question Number 2. Please make sure to catch question number 1 because each of these can have a video. Make sure you give videos a like if you find them helpful. Take a look at them, review them because they're very similar to the questions you're going to see on your exam. All right? So question number 2 tells us that log of 2 equals A and log of 3 equals B. The expression log of 9 over 20 is equivalent to, and it wants us to write it out in terms of A and B, not log of A and log of B, or log of some other number, in terms of A and B. So again, when we have this, we're going to separate things, kind of break it down using our laws of logs. We see here that at 9 over 20, we're going to separate the log of 9 over 20 to become the log of 9 minus the log of 20. Again, this is the quotient rule we kind of talked about before from the other video, right? And when we want to find these things in terms of A or B, like we're substituting the log of the number with a letter, we are probably going to do with some prime factorization. Probably break these down into multiples, or in this case, numbers of multiples of 2s and 3s. So we'll take a look at 9, and we notice that 9 can be written as 3 times 3. And 20, well, 20 can be written as 4 times 5 or 2 times 10. Except, here's the thing. We have log 2, we have log 3, we don't have log 5. So that's kind of strange because you're thinking to yourself like, well, where's log 5? And again, we're not going to leave it in log 5. It has to be in terms of log of 2 and log of 3. So let's take a look at 20 as 2 times 10. Okay? And we'll leave it that way. So this now becomes the log of 3 times 3 minus the log of 2 times 10. Again, you're probably wondering, what's so special about 10? Well, these logs don't have a base to them, so they're the common log, or in this case, log base 10. You'll see what we do next. So we're going to use our product rule to write log of 3 times 3 as the log of 3 plus the log of 3. Minus, and now we use product rule again, but we're going to, again, it's subtracting all of both logs in this case for the log of 2 times 10. So we get log of 2 plus log of 10. Well, we go back to the top and we notice in this case that the log of 2 is equal to A, so we can replace the log of 2 with A. And the log of 3 is equal to B, so we can replace each log of 3 as a B. So we have B plus B minus parenthesis bracket A plus log 10. We can't leave in log 10, but we then remember in this case that log 10, which is really the same as log base 10 of 10. Well, we see in this case, what 10 to what power is equal to 10? That is 1. So log of 10 equals 1. So we're going to replace log of 10 with the value of 1. So when we see problems like this, and we see in this case we're going to have a power of 10 being used, like 10, 100, 1000, 10 to the first power, 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power, 10 to the fourth power, we can take the common log of this and evaluate it to a particular number. Now, if it's not the common log, then we cannot. All right, but we might be aware of what the base we're using, and maybe, just maybe, we can evaluate them this way. So we will have in this case, this here, the B plus B becomes 2B. And this negative is going to distribute to both the A and the 1. So we have minus A minus 1. And this is our final answer for number 2. I'll make this full page. So whenever we see this type of substitution being occurred, that log of 2 is A, log of 3 is B, we want to substitute, we definitely want to do this kind of I would say a factorization, although maybe prime factorization, but maybe not though, because we're looking for, the numbers we're looking for in this case are going to be here, looking for 2 and 3. Looking to break down numbers into products of factors of 2s and 3s, and if it's a common log involved, 10. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our review for question number 2 for MRS21 test number 1 for the spring 2021. I hope this was helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn notifications, and leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Like, for example, well, what would happen if we left a 4 times 5? Well, we left a 4 times 5, and we had 2 times 2 times 5, we'd have a log of 5, and that would not be able, you wouldn't be able to write everything from A and B and a number that's like an integer type of situation, okay? All right, so definitely want to take a look for those things here. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody, and be safe.